Now, of course, those of you that have been following Nio, you know that by now that not only is Nio currently selling their cars in China, but they are also selling their cars in Norway, which is the first destination outside of China where Nio is currently selling their cars. Now, the latest developments about Norway, ladies and gents, that we just read recently is that Nio is planning to open their second Nio house in Norway, which is something that is incredible. And because Norway, it is a destination where Nio is currently selling their ES8 model, and they have passed over 500 in terms of sales in the current Nio house, which is in Norway. So getting to read that Nio, of course, is planning to open the second Nio house, it is something that, of course, makes us to be excited, because this means that Nio will get to see more sales coming in from Norway, which is incredible. Now, before we get deep into this topic, you already know that this video is just an entertainment video, and you should not take it as a professional financial advice video. Now, I really appreciate if you can just hit that like button if you do enjoy the content that I'll be giving you about the second Nio house, which it's expected to start with operation around the Q3, Q4 of 2022. So now, as I've said, this is something that is incredible, because we are going to see a Nio also delivering even more cars, and I personally believe that they are going to bring in, or chances are high that we might get to see them bringing the ET5 and the ET7 being the first cars to get there, which is something that getting to know the demand that is on those two models makes a retail investor like myself to believe that Nio delivery wise will do very well, especially going towards the end of this year. And you remember that production wise Nio is ready, because you remember that in the Q3 of 2022 in September, their Nio Park will be opening, or they will be starting with the production at their Nio Park, which, guess what, I personally believe that we are going to get to see more cars being exported to Norway, which is something that makes me want to believe that Nio will do really well in terms of sales in Europe, or in terms of sales in Norway. And of course, one of the things that of course makes me to be excited is that not only will Nio be selling or opening the second Nio house in Oslo, but they will also be selling now their cars into 4 new European countries. Nio will be selling their cars in 4 more new European countries, including Norway, which will get the second Nio house. This is one of the things that I personally believe that it will boost the deliveries in this, or that comes to Nio, which is one of the things that just have to make you to be patient. I mean, personally, this is one of the things that I'm planning to load the boat onto this Nio stock. This is one of the reasons that I'm planning to add 100 more or plus 100 more Nio shares today, which of course, as I said in my previous videos, those of you that follow me on my social media handles, I'm going to make sure that this one, I take a screenshot after making the purchase and share it with you guys, because I personally believe that one way or the other, this is a company which is just said to do very well. And I'm not even shy to say that Nio is a company that seriously dominates my stock market portfolio, because I believe in its future prospects and its fundamentals. And I personally believe that if you don't take these low trading prices as opportunities for you to load the boat onto this Nio stock, you are definitely going to miss out on the good returns, the good profits that some of the retail investors, including myself, will be getting once this stock gets revived, once we get to see the high delivery numbers coming into Nio. Because I've already told you the production ramp up that Nio is doing in their current Jack Nio factory, which will make them to increase their capacity to around 300,000 with double shifts, and also with Nio Park, ladies and gents, coming in September, with starting with the production, which its production annual capacity, we already know that it's around 1 million EVs annually. We are going to see Nio doing really good. This is a company that we are going to see it do good even in the years to come, because this past weekend I did a video of Nio starting or opening a factory again in the US. And Nio, again, you remember that with its sub-brand, they will be opening a factory that will be for their sub-brand, which is something that I think it has to motivate you as a retail investor to stay long onto this Nio stock, because production wise we are going to see Nio doing really good. I mean, the plans, the fundamentals, the future prospects of this company makes me to wonder the kind of good returns we might get to reap from Nio, because all the things, or looking at all the plans, all their latest developments, I personally believe that they will really do well in the years to come. And these low trading prices, like I said, has to motivate you to probably load the boat onto this Nio stock. Otherwise, I just thought I should just give you this latest developments, our latest content about the Nio stock. And if you did enjoy this content, please do make sure, like I said, to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you load the boat onto a stock like Nio, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing into this stock. But as for me, I'm going to continue loading and taking an advantage of the low trading prices that we are witnessing on Nio, so that at least I can get my average purchase share price down. As you know that right now my average purchase price on Nio is on the screen. It's around, or it's just below $28, which after my transaction today, I personally believe that it is definitely going to go low again. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.